Want to turn your TV into a smart entertainment hub? Streaming sticks make it easy to enjoy your favorite shows, movies, and apps in seconds. Today, we're counting down the top 12 streaming sticks on Amazon, from budget-friendly options to feature-packed powerhouses. Subscribe for more. Let's dive in. At number 1 we have Roku Streaming Stick 4K. The stick design plugs right into your TV with a simple setup. Stream your favorite channels like Netflix, Apple TV+, Prime Video, and more in a snap. Enjoy fast, smooth TV streaming in any room with a strong Wi-Fi connection. Power up your TV, adjust the volume, and control your Roku device with one remote. Quickly search, play entertainment, and control your streaming device with the voice remote. Stream in 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ with sharp resolution and vivid color. Stream a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV including 350+ free live TV channels. Enjoy easy voice control with Siri, Alexa, and Hey Google. Roku Streaming Stick 4K is faster and more powerful than ever. The redesigned long-range Wi-Fi receiver is supercharged with up to 2x the speed, exactly what you need for seamless streaming in spectacular 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ picture. At number 2, we have Amazon Fire TV Stick. More powerful than the previous generation for fast streaming in Full HD, includes Alexa voice remote with power and volume buttons. Stream more than 1.5 million movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Peacock, and more, plus listen to millions of songs. Subscription fees may apply. Watch your favorite live TV, news, and sports with subscriptions to Sling TV, YouTube TV, and others. Use the guide button to see what and #039 is available and when. Access over 300,000 free movies and TV episodes from popular ad-supported streaming apps like Amazon Freevee, Tubi, Pluto TV, and more. Alexa Voice Remote lets you use your voice to search and launch shows across apps. All new preset buttons get you to favorite apps quickly. Plus, control power and volume on your TV and soundbar with a single remote. Plug in behind your TV, turn on the TV, and connect to the internet to get set up. At number 3, we have Google Chromecast with Google TV 4K streaming stick. Get fast streaming and enjoy a crystal clear picture up to 4K and brighter colors with HDR. Ask to search for specific shows, or by mood, genre, actress, and more. Talk to Google and say, "What should I watch?" and use the remote to control the volume switch inputs, play music, and get answers on screen. Get personal suggestions based on your subscriptions, viewing habits, and content you own. Because Chromecast breathes life into existing TVs and is designed with recycled materials, it helps keep waste out of landfills. Create a kids profile to set up an area for your children to access a fun collection of family-friendly movies and shows. Pick from a selection of playful themes and set parental controls to restrict what content can be seen, limit watching time, and set a bedtime. At number 4, we have Roku Express HD Roku streaming device. Start streaming with a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku Originals and 275+ live TV channels for free on the Roku channel. It's easy to get started with everything you need included in the box, including a high-speed HDMI cable. Just plug it into your TV and connect to the internet. Compact and power-packed, you and #039 stream your favorites with ease, including movies and series on HBO Max, Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Incredibly easy to use, this remote features shortcut buttons to popular streaming channels. Enjoy easy voice control with Siri, Alexa, or Hey Google. You can also control your TV using the Apple Home app or Siri on your Apple devices, plus share videos, photos, and music from your Apple device using AirPlay. At number 5, we have NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro Streaming Media Player. The world's most powerful Android TV streaming media player upgraded to Android TV version 11. Enhance HD video in real time to 4K for clearer, crisper visuals using next-generation AI upscaling. USB cameras, keyboards, controllers, and more. Plex Media Server built-in, 3GB IM and 16GB storage connectivity technology. GeForce Now instantly transforms Shield TV into a powerful PC gaming rig. Play over 1,000 plus titles and nearly 100 of the biggest free-to-play games. The new GeForce Now RTX 3080 membership unlocks GeForce RTX 3080 gaming servers in 4K HDR, the shortest wait times and longest session lengths, with RTX ON including ray tracing and DLSS graphics for supported games. The built-in Google Assistant is at your command. See photos, live camera feeds, weather, sports scores, and more on the big screen. At number 6, we have TiVo Stream 4K, every streaming app and live TV on one screen. Forget learning to navigate a new screen with every app. TiVo Stream 4K enables one centralized place for searching, browsing, and creating watch lists across all your apps. Get rid of the walls between what you watch. TiVo recommends your next favorite shows and movies based on what you love, not where they live. The power of voice control makes it easy to find shows. Integrated Google Assistant allows you to launch apps, dim the lights and more. TiVo Stream 4K includes Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Peacock Plus many more, so you can get to your shows fast. TiVo Stream 4K harnesses the power of Android TV. That means fast and effective voice control with the Google Assistant, tons of apps through Google Play and Chromecast built-in, too. At number 7, we have SmartSee MiraScreen wireless display adapter dongle. Instantly mirroring your phone screen on TV wirelessly, cast small screen to large screen, including sharing 1080p videos, games, audio, pictures, app and files from your mobile device to your big screen HD TV, projectors and monitor. Perfect for home entertainment, business conference and school presentation, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, PDF and pictures from your smartphone. Support up to 1080p resolution. Support most mainstream smart devices, iOS device, iOS 9.0 Plus, an Android device and Windows device. Support most video websites, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. You can mirror your phone or tablet to your TV, no need to stare at the phone alone, watch TV together and free your hand. No need other cables, just connect this item to mirror your tablet PC on your projector wirelessly. Share your content of courses on big screen wirelessly. At number 8, we have Roku Streaming Stick Plus HD 4K HDR streaming device. Basement rec room. Backyard movie night. Bring them on. The long-range wireless receiver gives you extended range and a stronger signal for smooth streaming even in rooms farther from your router. Experience your favorite shows with stunning detail and clarity. Whether you're streaming in HD, you'll enjoy picture quality that's optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color. Nappy and responsive, you'll stream your favorites with ease, from movies and series on Apple TV, Prime Video, and Netflix, to cable alternatives like Sling. Enjoy the most talked about TV across thousands of channels. Power up your TV, adjust the volume, mute, and control your streaming all with one remote. Use your voice to quickly search across channels, turn captions on, and more in a touch. Plug it in, connect to the internet, and start streaming. It's that simple. At number 9, we have Google TV Streamer 4K. The Google TV Streamer 4K delivers your favorite entertainment quickly, easily, and personalized to you. See movies and TV shows from all your services right from your home screen, too, and find new things to watch with tailored recommendations for everyone in your home based on their interests and viewing habits. Mobile app or Google search, you can easily add it to your watch list, so it's ready when you are up to 4K HDR with Dolby Vision delivers captivating, true-to-life detail, and you can connect speakers that support Dolby Atmos for more immersive 3D sound. The Google TV Streamer 4K has a 22% faster processor and twice the memory of the previous generation for smooth navigation and quick switching between apps. With 32 GB of storage, the customizable button lets you open your favorite app or the home panel in one click and easily find your lost remote by making it ring. At number 10, we have Chobokiang Voice Universal Remote Control. Open the back cover. After installing the batteries, press and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds and pair the replacement for Roku remote for worry-free control. You can quickly launch and control content on these platforms with just one tap, tested to control the TV from any angle within 35 feet, and physically tested to support over 120,000 total clicks on all buttons. Voice control makes it easier to interact with your smart TV. You will receive a Roku remote replacement plus instruction manual. If you have any questions or are not satisfied, please contact us for a prompt solution. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have a Samsung TV or other TV, plug in a fit for Roku TV stick and a fit for Roku player. You need to use the remote control of the Samsung TV or other TV to turn on the TV. At number 11, we have Xiaomi Mi TV Stick 4K Ultra HD streaming device. With the smart Android TV system, Xiaomi TV Stick 4K offers you a new multimedia experience anytime, anywhere. Compact and portable, it brings a smarter life to your displays. The Xiaomi TV Stick 4K comes equipped with Android TV 11, delivering simple yet immersive experience. 4K Ultra high-resolution output takes video quality to another level. Partake in a vivid and immersive visual experience. Whether you and #039 into music, games, films, or TV dramas, delivers greater richness and realism to sounds than ever before. With Google Assistant, you can enjoy quick access to tons of entertainment, search for information and control your smart home devices. The compact form factor of Xiaomi TV Stick 4K features a quad-core processor which delivers powerful performance. Stream the entertainment you love from your phone, tablet, or laptop to your TV using Chromecast built-in. At number 12, we have Roku Premier HD 4K HDR streaming media player. Upgrade your streaming with a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku Originals and 200+ free live TV channels on the Roku channel. Whether you're streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR, you'll enjoy picture quality that's optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color. Compact and power-packed, you and #039 stream your favorites with ease, including movies and series on HBO Max, Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Plug it in with the included premium high-speed HDMI cable, connect to the internet, and start streaming. It's that simple. Control your Roku device with a second remote, search with your voice, enjoy private listening with wireless headphones, and more on your iOS or Android device.